friend, today we are in the historic center of Naples in Italy. We have booked a cooking class in the famous restaurant Mammina, because Naples is the birthplace of the Margherita Pizza.
Okay, but you maybe already know. Okay, guys. But now, not at the beginning, guys, because at the beginning we can keep. Yes, maybe too strong. Then I put on myself and push. I put and push. Guys. Push a little bit of it. Chef, please. Not too much. Well done, chef. Good job.
Le chef est content, ses amis.
On my hands. Good, chef. Well done. Now guys, we make a sort of baguette. Una baguette. We squeeze. Okay guys, it's enough. Okay, not too much. Now guys, we have to make a mushroom on the top. This way guys, I fold. Okay, I fold. And I fold, I fold. Okay guys. Okay guys, I change my hands and I close here. Mozzarella guys, okay? See your job, okay? Okay. Yeah, guys. Guys, we can make also.
Ready? And out. Bang. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. After a nice break and a delicious Italian morning tea, let's go back to our Pizza Margherita.
The music, okay guys, here we push a little bit of the side in this way. Okay, it's very very important because in this way we can make a hole. Okay, so in this way down inside, and we have to dry it. Okay, guys, not in this way, not in this way. I flip, I lift. First step is in the middle, and we know that to make nothing, because the second step, you see me, second step on the edge, and then dry. Not like in Napoli, at least. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm driving, guys. Okay. Guys, look, I'm changing the spots. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm changing the spot because if you stay to the same spot for a long time, this way, can fall, cade, dobbiamo cambiare il punto. Yes, this is very, very fine, okay? Okay, excellent. Excellent. Well done. Però la voglio affidare Vieni che ti dici ragazzi, no, well done. It's very important, 2 finger of distance, okay? Never touch the toast. Ok ragazzi? Ok ragazzi. A full spoon, allora a full spoon, 2 cheese, or 1 pizza card, index. Exactly, and this is. Signori, non vedete il basilico? Guys, this is not mozzarella, okay? This is pure di latte or flour of milk, che translates to delle, no? Guys, we use pure di latte, flour of milk because it's more drier. To the middle, on the edge, a spiral, no squeeze too much. Well done. Number 6. Number 3. Se lo provo a fare, quindi messo la roba.
Bravo, allez, bon appétit. Okay, the next time you will meet on the
Nice, beautiful pizza, set for you to style. Diana, Gerard,
Grazie.
Robin,
Diploma Pizza Daniele.